Les animaux de voyage doivent être enregistrés. Les animaux d'assistance doivent être tenus en laisse.
Finally made it, y'all. WestJet, count your mother freaking days. Like, this has been the most... It's crazy because I was saying to myself the other day, I was like, this is the first time that for me, like, I have done things way ahead of time. Like, my ticket was booked basically a month ago. All my sheet and stuff came in on no issues, no nothing. Like, all my packages, everything I got when I needed to get it, right? Normally I'm scrambling, crunching for sausage looks so low. I'm usually crunching for time, scrambling, all of that ish, right? This time I was so like organized, and then WestJet. First is cancellation, y'all. I just finished paying $300 for my suitcases because of WestJet's mistake. But when me done with WestJet, if me not get back all of my flight ticket money, because y'all want to tell me, oh, there's nothing you can do, but I'm missing a day and I'm not, nobody's paying me for no extra day. I'm not coming back a day later. Where's the like, oh my God, yo, and the lady that I dealt with, like, she was just such an ass. But money comes to me easily. Money comes to me. Money. I have so much stuff to do for this funeral when I get there that I'm a little bit stressed out, but I'm gonna make 1-2 links and see what can go on before I get paid. And yeah, other than that, I'm super happy that I'm checked in. The plane is taking off, y'all. I hope it is a smooth flight because we're supposed to get a hurricane, y'all. Hurricane Beryl is now currently Category 5. Excuse me? Category freaking 5. Why? So, praying for the best and hoping for the best. Yeah, just currently waiting some word. I guess I just wanted to check in and let you guys know. Countdown is done. We're going to Jamaica. And yeah, y'all, yesterday, I feel like, again, I had so much time, but then again, I feel like I didn't have time. And I'm so happy I didn't end up going to the party. Joel and my friend did end up going to Zimmy. I didn't go because I was just like, I have a lot of stuff to do. And it's a good thing I didn't go because I would have been like a chicken with my head cut off. Like, I was able to take my time, pack, put back all the stuff that I no longer needed, clean up, like, yeah, it was time. But hey, one thing with traveling, not everything goes according to plan. Never. So, going in with my optimism. And calling it a day. And I have an ILC. I'm so irritated because, y'all, I'm so tired. I'm exhausted. It's not even a joke. I was worried about falling asleep like when I get to my destination, but I don't think I'll have any issues. Can't believe what I'm going to Jamaica for right now. I was so mad I didn't even put name tags on my bags. Nothing. I know 2 of my bags are exactly what they look like. One is borrowed goods. And black. Yeah, bro. Anyhow, y'all. That's my little update for now. When we're boarding, I'll come back. Did I show you guys the nails? I don't remember if I did. Love them. Made it. So excited, y'all.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome aboard. Watch jet flight 2702 heading to Montego Bay. Our flight time today is going to be 3 hours and 42 minutes. Our flight crew today, first row is Captain Peter and First Officer Clark. Way back there on row 22, we have Eric. Up at row 4.
Half cup of... Me ask me tell them say me never want no...
You know, say,
juice?
them see me already. Them see me, them know who is me already. They know who she? You remember off a vlog?
Me say no. You don't know what no name.
Turn on your wiper and you will know.
Don't kill me. Murder. Say hi.
Hi.
Yeah, I'll reintroduce yourself. Come in and know if you remember who is you.
Like seriously.
Reintroduce yourself. Come in and know if you remember who is you.
Make them guess.
That's not true.
Yo, me say, hey, you know, yo, you don't know what you know. You don't know what you know.
Okay, yo.
Me not no money. No, so me say because me not no money. Me not no money.
Only in Jamaica. Hey, man, you're not going to... Watch out. Watch out. Watch out.
Don't forget it from.
What man's $1,000? Oh my God, what are you now?
I was just about to say, try to lock it with your yeah, man. Can you see one go take with my camera and go with
What population is today now?
I love the, I respect the hustle, but man.
Sometimes if it's a no.
Yeah, like just respectfully.
You know, they're not hot sun then, you know.
You guys are back.
Whoa, yeah.
Wow.
They look pretty good.
Killian, look on the mango. How much for the bag?
$2,000.
How much?
$2,000.
Wow.
I'm not going
One
there.
bag for $2,000.
No, too expensive.
$2,000 for the bag of mango.
Too expensive.
Yeah, quality.
Wow.
You want it?
Oh, no, me not have no money, sir. Just I come off on the plane.
That's if you have money.
Yeah.
The plane without money.
But me see you again.
You last time I kept a whole suitcase of mango. When I say whole suitcase, I'm about 25 nights. And 25 nights no good. Worm, but I never know the East Indian worm. My mama got the mango full of worm.
Oh, man.
And the problem is, you know, look like you have worm, you know. And when you start eating, look, you see the big white sitting in the sun.
I need on your worm.
Welcome to so
Me could I hear you have so much mango in your mouth?
what power money eat?
Only eat that.
Tattoos?
You never know.
It not taste good.
They're so good.
We love Easton. We love Easton.
Remember correctly. Oh, this tastes good.
I think... Sure, up this way you go?
Street before Mark.
No.
I'm just gonna go somewhere. I don't know where they are. I said the money for you. I don't know.
This nice?
Oh, like you go past it, like you go up there. Yeah.
Hey, how much personal flavor?
So now again, so maybe we'll go so.
Press it down nice.
Go back round, but if you
You want the chocolate one?
No.
I tell you already. I want them already.
Can I help you? Then give me on the plane.
Yeah, man.
Okay?
pretzel.
Little celebration. A little pretzel. Thank God.
Mommy, you like pretzel? Me not like it.
Thank you.
It's a Canada thing.
Well, wanna know? Well. You were so you were so come on, like Joel. When Joel just first come up like, oh, I'm gonna know how I'm gonna do it. I need my Jamaican stuff. Now, Jamaican what? So I have everything underneath the sun.
Alright, you know, not to chew in a tasty bad, but
And I taste bad. At Jamaica, this you can't do it.
No, sir.
Would I do it today? When me done say, I just go through.
Already? And me prefer go the long way, go so.
No!
XOXO, my love is very special. If you want it, you can have it. But don't take me for granted. So much things I did not say. I'm from Portmore, that's in JA. We can do it on that beach there. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Rock it, set it, rock it, set it, rock it, set it, rock it, set it. Back shot, somehow you got extra. Forget me not when it's sweet. What you say? When you look back at you, I made that doggy side, puppy whisper. So I think the fire fever. If you can't.
When you're planning a funeral.
stupid.
Hi guys. So much later on in the day. I ain't even gonna stay for long. I just wanted to update y'all and come and tell y'all I'm at my sister's house, y'all. Bomba. I'm at my sister's house. And yeah, got picked up from the airport. Got picked up from the airport. Hold on. Hey guys. Got picked up from the airport. Went to the funeral home, dropped off the suit, went and looked at the wreaths that we want to get for the funeral. What do we do after that? Kiana had to meet somebody, and then we went to KFC. We waited in the line for a little bit. Y'all, we weren't moving, so we came out the line, went to Mega Mart, got food at Mega Mart, picked up some groceries, came home. And yeah, we've been here. I took a not really a nap, but was laying down for a little bit, and now we're about to go outside just for a little bit because it's cooler outside, y'all. Beryl is coming. It's currently now gone down. Yeah, what was I saying? Everybody's like, why would you go to Jamaica now? Why would you go to Jamaica now? Like, if I knew that there was a hurricane coming, I'm not specifically gonna choose this time to come. Like, there must be a reason why I'm here. But I haven't verbally come out and said anything to you guys just because I keep saying it, but I don't know. Now being here, I don't know, like, I don't know how to describe it. I don't know how to describe it, but it's there's an emptiness because everybody's here and he's not here. Well, I don't know. If you guys can pick up, you guys can pick up. To be honest, I don't think I'll ever feel right to come on here and say rest in peace to this person. Like, I don't know how to explanation it, but it's, yeah, I don't know, grief. One day maybe I can talk about y'all. I don't know. As I said before, and I'll say this again, like, my heart was broken when I lost my grandma, but that does not compare nothing to this. Like, it don't compare anything to it at all. And I think now, like, after experiencing it and dealing with people who have lost from that same category, like, the expression is the same. So yeah, continue to keep my family in your prayers, especially my sister. And yeah, when anything else interesting happens, I will come back to you guys. If anything else happens tonight, me come back to you. But we're just gonna catch up. It's been a while, y'all. It's been a while, so we have a lot of catching up to do and that kind of stuff. Cleared out my suitcases basically as good as I can. I'm just gonna keep my shit in my shit and call it a day. Everything organized in their little cubes, so thank God for that. And yeah, I still have my food from Mega Mart, so I'm gonna eat that because apparently people don't cook in this house. So I'm gonna starve. I'm gonna lose a lot of weight, but yeah. Okay, yo. Yeah, because you didn't want to say something feisty. Hi guys. All that's happening. Yeah, and trick me. God said let there be light. Say hi. Say reporting live from Hurricane Beryl. Say reporting live from Hurricane Beryl. Say reporting live from Hurricane Beryl.
I won't be forced. I won't be.
You sound like your father. Like father, like daughter. She said I won't be forced. Naranya, my friend. Naranya, anything where you ask me for when I tell you I cannot be forced, you don't say nothing to me. Hey. Okay. Where's her?
What's that? Is that bad? Obviously.
What you say?
She does the people. I'll be turning on the camera. She just turn on the camera.
What you say? Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Reporting live from the aftermath of Hurricane Beryl, y'all. So we went to bed last night. We had running water. And we woke up and we don't have none. Current still gone. Nowhere in Montego Bay is open because current gone. So we can't get food. Can't do nothing. My sister went to go do her hair. Can't do it because current gone. And it's Thursday. Funeral is Saturday. And mind you, we have lots of things to do. We don't have access to internet where we need enough things for internet to do. Be a missed call. My phone can't even work right now, people. So it's a lot. And it's hot. Like, it's hot. I'm gonna go bed. When my bed done and come back and relax, we come back. Because hot, okay? Like, my lashes are not even managing. Like, hot. But never been I've seen this in my life. Never been I've seen this in my life. The hurricane done pass and gone, and now them decide to them want to lock off everything. Make it make sense. Make it make sense. Anyhow, I was gonna say, when I done bed, me come back. And cannot give me that something, yeah. And it not stay up on my head, you know. It's not staying on at all. I'll be back. Y'all, these people dragged me out the house for no reason because nothing not going on Montego Bay. Talk, no, talk.
Andrew, you want a shot?
Yo, Montego Bay is literally nothing open. Not a thing. Not a thing, people. Everything board up. Not a one thing open. Nothing. And them drag me for come out of the damn house. And nothing open. No when I have light, no when I have current, no when I, well, light and current are the same thing. No when I have service, no when I have lights. Eh?
Stop like them here though.
Chuck. The place just... Ugh. So irritation. Not one thing now work. Make it make sense. At times I'm frustrated. But I look cute.
I'm not going to show.
Say hi. Yeah, he brought us down here. Our fans can't. Well, I don't know. Rough back. We all laugh about. Did storm ready though, still people. Wow. All this time I never know say upstairs loud fashion day, you know. Yeah. I never welcome to Jamaica. I never know say loud fashion day so the whole time. Wow. Yeah guys, everything board up. KFC, the bucket is not even turning. Oh my god.
You know what people back up for KFC?
Y'all are lying, I take it back. The bucket full. Yo! So the way you walk in front tight for then. Bombard. Cool. Damn, yo.
Yeah, so when does it feel like
Hey y'all. So, I don't know how much hours later. I don't know how much hours later, but 2 KFC lines later, finally get through. We did have to beg somebody in the drive-thru for order for way, but finally get through because everybody and their mother is outside at KFC, and this location said that they are closing at 9 o'clock, so not everybody that's in the line right now is going to get through. Y'all, all of this local food, you know? Jamaica food better. Not, man. We're hungry, man. We're starving. Holy shiznit. I'm not gonna lie, it's crazy. The man goodly come back and look for me, you know, me not ask. But him never gone in with the 10. Tell the same move off. Yo. When y'all come to Jamaica, as if you know, you know, but if you don't know, come with enough patience because, whoa. Like my sister literally had to beg somebody for order the food for me. Thanks. And everybody is out here, y'all, because nobody has lights, nobody have water. So it's like, what to do? And Montego Bay wasn't severely impacted for us to be out of the essential things. Like nothing really broke down, nothing like that. So why we don't have essentials is beyond me, but hey. Whatever. When my food come, me come show no. But me ready for me yard. I want bait again, like but I'm in Jamaica and it feels like old times, small, minus my baby. But yeah. Yo, we reach up. What? Oh, your box look bigger than mine.
Can't burst in there. We get the wings box. The one with the wings.
So the wings box no come with chicken. Not treat. Good morning, guys. Reporting live from the aftermath of Hurricane Beryl. So here in Mobe, it's day 2 after the hurricane. Yeah, a Friday. Friday, July the.
Now you say my next it not come tomorrow.
But here say something for like Friday, July the what? The 7th? Today's the 7th or the 5th?
5th. This funeral will be the 6th.
Okay. Why am I thinking the 8th? Friday, July the 5th. Oh, sorry, my dear. Sorry. When I know bossy something there, man. Sure. So, yeah, still have no light. Still have no, wait, I'm not like that. Still have no running water. So unfortunately, we had to postpone the funeral because no light, no electricity, no water.
No light, no electricity, no water.
People were discombobulated. We can't even speak properly right now. We can't. We're not functioning straight right now because everything is just so confusion. I'm gonna change my battery and come back. Y'all, it's been a day, okay? Been a day.
Sure.
Are
you sure that this grocery store like what is it called again? Isolated whey protein isolated.
Today's dinner is brought to you by me because me walk up people yard and beg things. We see breadfruit. I want somebody yard. And I decide say yeah. I want it roast. Them go in at them pot in them kitchen and see so them have chicken. And this is our meal. Roast breadfruit, y'all. Yeah. Still no current. We just teethed some water and had a nice shower. So we're not green or anything like that. And yeah. So I'm gonna eat this. And I'll talk to you guys later. It's been a day. It's been a last few days, but it's been a day. Like, I think we're all mentally drained today. And yeah. But I'll elaborate a little bit later. I'm gonna eat this, I'm starving, and I'll come back to you guys. Hey guys. Alright, a Saturday. A Saturday, July the 6th, right? The current came back yesterday. Current come back yesterday. We still don't have no water though. So there's that. But God said let there be light, and there's light. I have the internet, I have my fan, my board. We can still splash up for now and carry on. I'm in town right now. Came in to get. Andrew was supposed to go to the doctor. Dr. Lock still called, no current. And then we'll go supermarket. Pick up a few little things for over the weekend, so we're not have to come back in town like anytime soon or anything like that, unless it's for anything major or if we want anything. Say hi. And yeah, I saw Brittany. I got to see Brittany golf. I see Brittany at the supermarket, I see Brittany at Hilo. And when I was coming, I told when I was coming, I told my friend, I was like, girl, I'm gonna hope to see Brittany. And I was telling my sister, I was like, I hope me come and see Brittany. And so said so, don't see Brittany. So yeah, y'all, I bought, I don't know if y'all know about it, but the True Juice, the pineapple lychee. Buy it. I can't wait for try. When the girl was packing out the bag, she was like, she was asking the cashier, she was like, you ever tried this flavor? She's like, it's bad. Let me tell you, the amount of people want me to talk about it on TikTok. So I said, when I come back, I have to try. And I love pineapple and I love lychee. Tony. Taxi. Taxi's calling. We just come to one restaurant to come get something to eat. Got like a poke.
You there at the back? You there at the back of the POS? From where? Alright, just tap a JN, me a come. You hear me?
Okay guys, I'll be back. When we reach another car, me come back. Okay, bye. Happy Sunday, y'all. The ice cream truck is here. We've just been inside all mother freaking day, y'all. I have a toothache. I don't know if I said it before. I'm having a toothache, and yeah. What? Vlogging. I'm gonna bathe. I'll be back. Go on. Go on. Go on. Cause you want the excitement. Go on.
Pick up on yourself at Jamaica with it.
Go on. Bobo.
Do the dance here with him, man. Them have a dance now.
So we are waiting for it to come up here? Huh? We are waiting for it to drive come up over here? Then that is a far walk? No, so no while bad. No, she not walk over there. Better move fast on the 2 while. If I meet me drive, we're gone long time. Banana split? Banana split? Give me slippers, Killian.
You're not no bad man. You're not for sure.
Me I come here and bother with you.
You're not for sure.
What you want, Killian?
The video?
Yeah.
Well, just say if you're good as yes. Yes. Do the dance now. What's that the man from coming? Yeah. I bet a good beer on the table.
We did want to see her. This what? Taste ice cream. Show them how you're ugly. Of course, everybody for go get ice cream like she couldn't walk out here for go and get it herself.
What is?
Chocolate and banana split. One thing with Angie, she go in at the chattings and she go in at the friggery, okay? She love it as much as you see her go on. Big up ice cream man, on a Sunday, right through. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna bait guys, I'll be back.